Hello, hello, my beautiful people. As most of you know, my name's Maylene, and I've been a fashion designer for a very long time. I've also had my own brand called Dragonfly. Please take a look at my other videos. They are there to help you understand how to start your own fashion brand, including business plans, talking about manufacturers, sampling, about regularly asked questions, and I've answered them for you. So yes, please feel free to take a look at my channel and do subscribe, like, and share. In this little sort of mini series, I wanted to just bring up some super fun facts about phrases or the origins of fashion items and expressions. Today, I thought, why don't we take a look at the origin of the phrase, wear one's heart on one's sleeve? Right. Nowadays, it's a very casual phrase to mean exposing our true emotions, making one vulnerable and letting it all sort of hang out. Emotion-wise. It is so prevalent, we even see these words in many poetry and in lyrics, in a range of musical genre. There are 3 stories to where this expression might have originated from. Let's explore them all. The first one comes from the Middle Ages. At the time, Emperor Claudius II believed that single men were better soldiers. So he outlawed marriage for young men. But as a compromise, he encouraged sort of temporary coupling once a year. During a Roman festival honoring Juno, the birth goddess, men drew names to determine who would be their partner for the coming year. Once established, the man would wear her name on his sleeve for the rest of the festival. Okay. The second one was also around the same time. It was speculated that when a knight performed in a jousting match in the king's court, he'd dedicate his performance to a woman of the court by tying something of hers, like a handkerchief, around his arm. This would show the court the match would defend her honor. So again, another way to show how you would wear something on one sleeve, and at that time it seemed it was a lot more literal. The third one goes that even though this term seems to have been used way before even Shakespeare was around, but however, it was the first recorded version in one of his plays in 1604 in Othello. In the play, Iago announces, "I will wear my heart upon my sleeve," knowing that in doing so will make him vulnerable. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little tidbit of fun facts about where this phrase originates from. And please remember to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who you think might enjoy this as well. Please leave any comments and questions down below. I'd be happy to hear from you. Have a good one. See you soon. Bye.